So the first problem you guys did, you drew 12 green and 12 red. Why was that too many?
Thirteen, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
So you had 24 apples, and how many apples were in my bag at home?
12. 11.
Remember what it says on the board there. What does it say on the board?
12. 1 and a 2.
So what number is that?
19. 13.
Lacey?
12.
12. So we knew that was way too many apples. So then you drew it again, and what did you do? How many red apples are there?
7.
You sure?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So there's 6 red apples, and how many green apples are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So how many apples are in that bag?
6. 12. No, 6 and then put together 12.
Yeah. So now we have 12 apples. Do you think you could find another answer?
I made 12.
What if we drew a little bag over here? Let's draw a bag over here. Okay, buddy?
I know what I made. 12.
So let's use your pencil to draw a bag right here. Now let's pick a number. Let's pick a number of red apples. How many red apples do you want in the bag?
7.
Okay, let's put 7 in there. Okay, so then how many green apples are we going to put in there? So when the next apple you draw, how many apples would you have drawn?
3.
So let's draw 3 green apples and let's find out. Now let's check how many apples are in the bag.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I made 8. 10.
Do we have 12 apples in the bag yet? So do we need to draw some more green? How many more do you think we need to draw?
2 more.
Okay, let's try that.
We're done.
Now how many apples are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, so how many red apples did we have? We had,
7.
and how many green?
2, 3, 4, 5.
So that was another answer. Do you know what your strategy was called? Do you know what you used?
What did he say to you? What did she say to you?
You guessed, and then you wrote them down, then we checked our answer, and then we realized that we still needed more. So you were using something called guess and check. Okay, so good job. Can you draw another one? Okay, so you guys chose to use manipulatives to represent the grapes. How many grapes was I going to buy?
15.
Okay, so I was going to buy 15 grapes. So what grapes did I buy? You showed me I bought, how many green grapes did I buy?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. So let's actually write that down just so we can record it so we know. So 8, and maybe do you know how to spell the word green?
I remember it's a G.
Yeah. So what if we wrote just a G beside it? So then we knew. So 8. So there's 8 green grapes. Now, how many red grapes did I buy?
7.
I bought 7. Okay. So then let's record that down. So I had. Let's do it right beside it, so or right underneath it. So we did 7. And what color were these?
Red.
So what letter should we put there? Okay, so hold on a second. So the way we did our 7, if we look at our name tag, is that the proper way to do the 7? Let's fix that, just so it's easier to read. Okay, so let's draw a circle around this so we know that that's one of my options. Let's do both so we know it was like Let's do one big around both now. Okay. So there's some of the grapes I bought. Could I buy a different option of grapes?
Yes.
Okay, so let's figure out another one. What could you do? What could you change? Now I have a question. How many green grapes did you just take away?
2.
So how many red grapes do you think you're gonna need to add?
2 more.
Now why do you think if you took 2 green grapes away and then added 2 red, why did you do that? So we still have 15 grapes. Now our numbers change though. So let's record this one just like we did here, and let's see how many different combinations we can come up with, okay? Okay, so it looks like you've got 3 different options for me. Can you explain the 3 options to me that I can?
The first one was 12 and 3 equals 15. The other one was 15 and 15.
Okay, so can you think of any more? Do you think there's any more options? Or do you think those are my only 3?
No.
You think there's more? So let's see if we can do, let's try and do one more and see, okay? So what do you want to start with? What are we going to start with? How many green grapes do you want? Should I get?
14.
Pardon me? You want to do 14 green grapes? Okay, so we have 14 green grapes. Then how many red grapes are we going to need?
You do 14.
If you did 14 red grapes, do you think I would have 15 grapes in my bag?
No.
Would I have too many?
Yeah.
Okay, so then if we already have 14 green grapes in my bag, then how many grapes do I want to buy?
50.
So then how many red ones do I need?
Only one more red grape.
Yeah. So then how are you going to draw that? If I only need one more red grape, what are you going to do?
Red. Draw one more.
Yeah, there's my one red grape. I think there might be a couple more options. I'm excited. Let's see if you guys can do another one, okay? All right, can you explain to me how you organized my bag of grapes? What did you do here?
I put 4 green grapes.
Okay, so there's 4 green grapes, and
then I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 red grapes.
okay. So let's record that down then. So let's grab a pencil and we can write that down, okay? Okay, so let's write down. So how many red grapes were there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, so let's write the number 11 right here.
1.
And then what could we put beside it so we know that those are red grapes?
I'll have to put that like that.
Well, why don't you just put an R then for red? Okay, then how many white grapes how many green grapes are there?
Then I'll put red. And here's the blue one.
Okay, so then how many green grapes are there?
4.
Okay. So what can we put beside it just to know that, so we know those are the green grapes? Do you think we need to trace it, or can we just do a circle on our own? Why don't we try drawing our own circle? What color are you going to use?
No color. We'll see.
Oh, that's okay. No, that's perfect. That actually looks like a grape.
Does?
Yeah. So now what color are we going to color to show that those are green grapes? What color would you do?
Green.
Okay, so let's do that.